So Michelle from China, you've what time is it? It's where you live time. You're in Thailand. You moved into a bus. You just bought a bus for a few thousand baht. You're gonna move into here for cheap accommodation on campus.
Yeah.
Exchange student.
A free parking spot for your bike or your moped or whatever.
Yeah.
So yeah, firstly, let's talk about my coat hangers outside here.
Okay.
You can hang out your clothes here to dry.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, watch out for these tetanus. Yeah. Okay.
So hang out your clothes, you're clean, you're dirty, whatever. You know, sometimes we don't wash all our clothes in time, so you don't want them inside the RV.
Yeah,
like
stinking it up.
So put it outside. And then up here, I'm collecting some rainwater.
Yeah.
Because this is Thailand, so it does rain usually at night, and then in the daytime,
So
it gets
you're gonna
really
get plenty of
sunny.
heme iron in there. A bit of rust. Don't
Well,
worry
it's
about
not
iron.
for me, it's for the birds and animals
the birds?
that
Okay.
want it. Yeah. And
The
then
pigeons.
sometimes I might put like an orange or like a kiwi or like a dragon fruit here.
Yeah. Why is
So then
that?
they can like start eating it.
Oh,
for those that
squirrels.
want. So yeah, as you can see, you can hang all your clothes down here. That's my number plate over there. You guys see me going around, come say hello. That's me, Michelle from China.
Okay.
Okay.
Chucking some custom plates in there.
This I'm going to fix because
Mirror.
I don't want anyone to be hitting onto it.
Yeah.
And as you can see, another tip is to have open windows for aeration.
Oh yeah, for
Save
sure.
on. Oh, that's not mine.
Jane.
That's not mine. Someone just used my bus, my home, my
Yeah.
dwelling as a garbage can.
Okay.
Because they know I'm a garbage collector. They know
Okay.
I collect bottles. It's not mine. So I'd say close your windows if you're in an area where people might get, you know, think your thing is a trash can
Yeah.
or something.
Yeah.
You don't know what people might throw in there. It might be fire or something. So if you're eating, then maybe close it. So yeah, open windows. Okay, now this is my door. I have a door here, my front door, and then on the back door here that leads to the garden. Over here, I usually keep my back door. It's a secret, but
Your back door. Yep.
my back door open and
pretty
closed
tight.
sometimes. It depends.
Close.
Okay, I'm not gonna tell you guys. So yeah, I have a back door because garden and nature is really important.
Yeah.
Okay, so then coming inside the RV van, mind yourself, actually it's right foot first for
Right foot
respect.
first. Yeah.
Okay. And walk inside. I still have to clean it up,
Yeah.
but over here, I like to lay down. It's like my flat area for sunbathing my face and stuff. And then I just play around with the bus because I don't drive it anywhere. You guys know I don't drive. I'm
No
more of
license.
a bike person. My bike is over in the back.
Okay.
And
So you rip some seats out, create some more room then, I guess.
no,
It's dusty.
I don't,
It's
I
fucking
don't
hot in
think
here as well.
it is. It has really good AC as well,
Mm.
but like heater, natural heating, central
Yeah.
heating comes from like everything because it's like metal
Is it-
insulated.
There's not much room in these between these seats. Wow, look at
There's
look.
loads of room. Watch your
down.
head.
Yes, I'm just yeah.
Sorry.
I'm
I know you're,
like walk down there. Like if you're a fat kid, you ain't getting through here. Look at that.
I don't like to use those words.
Fat, skinny.
Some people get offended, and I want this
Put
to.
your hips between those. So wow, that's very yeah. So
It just about fits me.
if you're a keto kid, you ain't gonna be fitting through here.
It just about fits me. So,
Damn.
but if someone does pass out from keto, I would take them in here and I would give them some help and give them some education.
Some sugar.
on-
Yeah.
Yeah, because this is an open environment for everyone. I want everyone to feel welcome here and they can camp
Love
out
bus.
here.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so this is not just for me, it's for other kids and students who
Yeah.
need a little extra space as well. We have so
Mhm.
much space. I say we as in me and Miss Panda here.
Yeah.
And yeah, we have the fans. With the dust situation, that's the other thing where I like to invite people to come inside. Because when people come inside and then they brush around, since it's so small, they hit off the dust, they clean it
Yeah.
off for me. And then they might comment and say, oh, well, I lived here at night. I might as well help you clean
Yeah.
the kitchen,
Yeah.
which is here.
Which
This
is
the
it. Just the kitchen. Okay.
That's the kitchen. And so, yeah, inviting people just helps you and, helps everyone. Everyone gets a little workout in.
Yeah. Good
And
stuff.
up here we store our things.
Yeah.
I don't like to stand here for too long. If I like to keep my space, my
Yeah.
RV, my van for sleep, rest, and something. Like
Okay.
okay. I don't like to
Something.
lounge around in here because my posture, it affects my posture.
Yeah.
So I like to step outside in the shade or in the sun.
Yeah.
So that's another tip I have because RVs, and
Correct.
my RV is classified as a dream RV. Most people would dream of this big of a van, etc.,
Yeah.
etc. So people who have smaller ones, I recommend you to come outside as much as possible and stretch out.
Sweatbox, isn't it?
It is. It's really good as an insulator. And yeah, so stretch out. Those are some of my tips. For now, if you have any questions on how I got this RV or how I live in here, comment down below and I will help you out. And as you can see, I kind of carry all my clothes with me.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
another thing.
So they get too dusty.
Well, I like to, you know, put my clothes to wear.
Yeah.
Put my clothes to use. Put my things to use. So I carry everything I have. I'm a lightweight traveler.
Yeah, you can see that.
I carry my things with me so that they get cleaned. If I know I might need gloves. You never know. You never know what might happen. You never know if someone needs an inner tube or something.
Yeah.
Or if you need some oxygen mask. You know?
Okay.
So yeah.
Well, thanks for
Hope this
sharing your
helps,
RV.
guys. Thank you guys so much for
Yeah.
watching.
RV in Thailand.
Yeah.
Easy done.
Bye.